Can we foresee who will helm the future of Zimbabwe's leadership? This question has intrigued many as we delve into the rise to power of an individual who has become a significant figure in Zimbabwe's political landscape, General Constantino Chiwenga. In the early years, Chiwenga served the Zimbabwean army with distinction, rising through the ranks to become the army's commander. His military background fostered a strong sense of discipline and strategic thinking, traits that would prove instrumental in his political career. The year 2017 marked a turning point for Chiwenga. The military intervention in November that year, led by him, resulted in the resignation of long-serving President Robert Mugabe. This event catapulted Chiwenga into the political arena, and he was subsequently appointed as vice president under Emmerson Mnangagwa's administration. However, the journey was not without its challenges. Under Mnangagwa's rule, allegations of corruption and human rights abuses began to surface, leading to international sanctions against the president and his administration in 2024. Despite these adversities, Chiwenga remained resolute, holding steadfast to his vice presidential role. His dedication and resilience have not gone unnoticed. In recent years, Chiwenga has started to emerge as a potential successor to Mnangagwa. His participation in international conferences such as the Iran-Africa International Economic Conference underscores his growing influence and recognition on the global stage. In summary, the journey of General Chiwenga from the military barracks to the vice presidential office is a testament to his resolve and strategic acumen. His rise to power has been marked by significant events: the military intervention in 2017, his appointment as vice president, and his consistent resilience amidst international sanctions. As we look towards the future, it is certainly intriguing to consider the role Chiwenga may play in shaping Zimbabwe's leadership. Remember, history is not just about the past, it's a lens through which we can view and understand the present, and perhaps even predict the future. As we have traced Chiwenga's journey so far, it begs the question: what could be the next chapter in Zimbabwe's political narrative? Only time will tell.